from James Island. Wow, it was a rough one last night. Lots of waves hitting us from the back. Windy. So we're going to be leaving shortly to go to Anacortes. The good news is the current is going to push us off the dock, so it'll be great. So yeah, kind of it'll be a, hopefully we can sail over there. That's our goal. Awesome. So Kathy is sailing us into Anacortes. We have a nice kind of a beam reach. It's about 10 knots of wind, so it's actually doing pretty well. We started with a reef and we decided to shake it out. So, but yeah, it's a good way to kind of end our foray into the San Juan Islands. And yeah, awesome. Wow, so things you don't see normally in Anacortes. Pretty cool Dumby seals. Looks like these guys are fun no matter where you're at. This video, hit subscribe and give us a big like down below. Thanks for watching.